Let's talk about the possessive apostrophe. The possessive apostrophe is used after a noun to show that something is owned or possessed by that noun. To show someone owns something, we could say, "This is the coat of the boy." But there's an easier way. We can use the possessive apostrophe and say, "the boy's coat." The apostrophe shows that the coat belongs to the boy. We can use the apostrophe and s if the noun is a singular. But what if it's a plural? Well, let's imagine there are many boys and each of them has a coat. Boys already has an s, so we just have to add an apostrophe after the s and say, "the boy's coat." Special plurals like sheep or fish don't have an s, so they are the same as singular nouns and need an apostrophe and an s.